Incellderm. Cleanse, moisturize, protect, glow. Premium results-driven skincare. Youthful, firm skin plus illuminating, dewy glow. Gentle, naturally derived ingredients. Byungpool, Centella asiatica. 30+ million products sold. Dermatology First Package EX. Active Cream EX. Dual Function Booster, Serum, and Cream work together to offer intense nourishment to brighten the skin and restore its strength and elasticity that is lost over time. Key ingredients: Byungpool, Centella asiatica. Leaf water, highly effective in soothing and providing moisture to dry skin. Spiraceous crispa, extract, keeps skin healthy and moisturized. Amino acid complex, 17 different kinds of amino acids for moisturization and skin elasticity. Key benefits and claims: Byungpool leaf water brightens skin while providing moisturization, strength, and elasticity. Booster contains 88%, serum contains 81%, Byungpool leaf water 57%, eliminates the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while strengthening and protecting the skin's barrier. Skin moisture content and skin texture improvement test completed. EWG, all green and allergen-free. How to use with booster, serum, cream. Spray booster, EX on your face. Wait a few minutes to allow absorption. Place droplets of the serum EX on your forehead and cheeks and massage gently into skin. Once the serum has been fully absorbed, spray the booster on your face again. Finish by applying the active cream EX all over your face. With repeated use of the dual function booster, serum, and cream, your skin will have a more radiant appearance. Please use products in accordance with your skin. Active Cream EX, a rich, fast-absorbing face cream that restores the skin barrier, and it's a natural strength for visibly improved texture, firmness, and radiance. Active Cream EX. Key ingredients: Byungpool, Centella asiatica. Leaf water, highly effective in soothing and providing moisture to dry skin. Easy Calm 6. Botanical complex found in nature helps brighten and soothe skin while aiding in elasticity and antioxidant care. NBP complex. 4 types of extracts obtained through 7-day ultrasonic aging method aid in moisturization, elasticity, and antioxidant care. Key benefits: a moisturizing care cream containing 58% of Korean-grown pure Byungpool leaf water, which cares for the skin from its deepest layers out while strengthening and moisturizing the skin. Rich, non-greasy cream contains active ingredients that firms and brightens the skin without feeling oily, even when applied multiple times. Skin moisture content and skin texture improvement test completed. EWG, all green and allergen-free. How to use: spray booster EX on your face. Wait a few minutes to allow absorption. Place droplets of the serum EX on your forehead and cheeks and massage gently into skin. Once the serum has been fully absorbed, spray the booster on your face again. Finish by applying the active cream EX all over your face. With repeated use of the dual function booster, serum, and cream, your skin will have a more radiant appearance. Please use products in accordance with your skin. Calming Balance Gel. A lightweight hydrating gel made with damask rose water and calming properties that restore sensitized skin caused by environmental stressors and seasonal changes. Calming Balance Gel. Moisture gel with calming effect. Ideal for sensitive skin. Key ingredients: damask rose water. Contains vitamins and minerals designed to moisturize dry skin. 8-layer hyaluronic acid, composed of 8 types of low molecular weight, medium molecular weight, and high molecular weight to provide abundant moisture and elasticity. Gold, 24K99, 99 pure gold ingredients. Key benefits: the gentle gel formula comforts and soothes while reducing redness and keeps skin hydrated for up to 72 hours. 72-hour water retention test completed. Gel texture temporarily reduces the skin temperature with a cooling effect that soothes the skin and reduces irritation and inflammation. Skin primary irritation test completed. How to use: apply a generous amount to your face, then massage gently until gold flakes are melted into the skin. Reapply additional layer when feeling extra dry. How to use with other Incellderm products: mix with daily Aqua BB for sheer coverage to create a naturally beautiful complexion. Vieton Oil Mist. The perfect glow-enhancing face mist to lock in moisture while delivering nutrients to strengthen, add glow, and leave skin feeling fresh. Vieton Oil Mist. a rich, hydrating, vitamin-infused mist. Key ingredients: camellia seed oil, delivers intense moisture and nutrients to maintain smooth, glowy skin. Sea berry, hippophae rhamnoids. Water, containing high level of vitamin C and E, which aids in skin vitality. Key benefits: sea berry water, camellia seed oil, and other plant-derived ingredients provide deep nourishment and energy to the skin. The golden ration of oil and water allows for easy absorption, leaving skin smooth and radiant. Prevents transepidermal moisture loss and improves skin radiance. Skin primary irritation test completed. How to use. Before using, shake well so the fluid and oil blend together. Close your eyes, then spritz evenly all over face and wait for product to be absorbed. Create an optimized base for skincare and a subtle glow under the makeup. How to use with other Incellderm products. To amplify radiance and moisture, apply Vieton Multi-Stick Balm before oil mist. Vieton Multi-Stick Balm, a concentrated treatment and touch-up balm packed with botanical oil and vitamin tree water to nourish your skin on the go. Vieton Multi-Stick Balm, a luminous, lifting multi-stick balm that creates firmer skin. Key ingredients: Byungpool, Centella asiatica. Oil, highly effective in soothing and providing moisture to dry skin. Camellia seed oil, delivers intense moisture and nutrients to maintain smooth, glowy skin. Sea berry, hippophae rhamnoids. Water, containing high level of vitamin C and E, which aids in skin vitality. Key benefits: creates radiant skin, provides deep moisturization with a glowing finish, light texture, yet excellent moisture retention. As the balm melts into the skin, it infuses the skin with moisture and vitamins. Completed a 25 human subject test criteria, proving the balm provided immediate skin wrinkle improvement, deep skin elasticity improvement, and brightens the skin. How to use. Glide onto areas where there are noticeable dryness. Reapply whenever, wherever throughout the day to add moisture and a healthy glow to the skin. Follow up with the Vieton Oil Mist, which provides additional skin radiance compared to using the balm alone. Complexion Beyond Natural. Daily Aqua BB. Naturally cover blemishes, reduce the appearance of fine lines. Fresh and dewy skin. Daily Aqua BB Makeup. Daily BB cream that gives natural coverage and a healthy-looking glow. Key ingredients: Anamarina asphodaloids root. Extract, moisturizes the skin while improving elasticity and radiance. Glutathione, antioxidant component of 3 amino acid polymers that clarify and even the skin tone. Byungpool, Centella asiatica. Leaf water, highly effective in soothing and providing moisture to dry skin. Key benefits: provides natural light coverage that leaves skin looking smooth and dewy, never heavy or cakey. Skin brightening, wrinkle care, and nourishing care all in one product. In addition, Byungpool, edabenone, and peptide ingredients provide nutrition to restore radiant, healthy skin. Contains 57% Byungpool leaf water. Lightly conceals blemishes, redness, and imperfections seamlessly without adding weight for a true no-makeup makeup look. How to use. Use a small amount and apply a thin layer evenly onto the skin. How to use with other Incellderm products. After basic skincare, complete the makeup routine in the following order. Sunscreened Aqua BB 4D Cushion. 4D Luster Cushion. Effortless luminous skin. A perfect blend of skincare and makeup. Buildable coverage with a glowy finish. A dewy, moisture-based cushion for your skin. Key ingredients: Akebia quinata. Extract helps prevent wrinkles by inhibiting saccharification reaction. Ecoceramide. Shea. Butter. Ecoceramide vegetable oil aids in skin health and moisturization. Jeju chickweed. Extract brightens skin. Key benefits: the luminous formula brightens skin while perfectly reflecting light. As our oil has a high refractive index, the product reflects light from various angles to create naturally radiant skin from any angle. Ceramide Jeju stellaria. Sugar complex and other patented ingredients infuse moisture to the skin like a hydrating skin treatment. The smooth, light texture goes on effortlessly, providing a sheer, natural coverage. How to use. Use the included puff to apply a thin layer gently over the entire face. Apply additional layer for more coverage. Use Daily Aqua BB before 4D Cushion to enhance complexion and coverage. Sunscreen, Aqua BB, 4D Cushion. How to use with other Incellderm products. After basic skincare, complete the makeup routine in the following order. Sunscreen, Aqua BB, 4D Cushion. Pure Cell Cleansing Oil. A blend of botanical oil that melts away impurities and stubborn makeup while protecting skin's natural moisture barrier. Hypoallergenic, dissolves makeup, removes pore buildup. Deep yet gentle cleansing that brightens and firms with every use. Key ingredients: black cumin seed oil. Known as Cleopatra's beauty secret, this oil helps improve overall skin condition. Berry flux, Vita. Active ingredients extracted from raspberry stem cells help increase moisture content and enhance skin elasticity. Jojoba seed oil. Enhances skin texture by thoroughly cleansing the skin and controlling excess oil from the sebaceous glands. Key benefits: cleansing with 75% natural ingredients. This product is free of allergens and impurities and contains 75% natural oils, including the patented Berry Flux Vita. Deep cleansing that dissolves oil with oil. Excellent cleansing effect from gentle yet powerful oils that effectively remove even sunscreen and waterproof makeup. Mild, powerful, pure cleansing, using a mild formula of EWG. All green grade, the gentle oil removes makeup residue and skin impurities without irritating the skin. How to use. Apply 3 to 4 pumps onto your dry palm and massage gently over your entire dry face to dissolve makeup. Apply warm water to your face and rub gently until the oil turns creamy. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. How to use with other Incellderm products. For the perfect cleansing routine, complete in the following order. When cleansing, light to no makeup. Snow Active Enzyme Cleanser Cleanup Powder. When cleansing heavy makeup. Pure Cell Active Cleansing Oil Cleanup Powder. Snow Enzyme Cleanser EX. Unique enzyme-infused cleanser, cleanse with soft, thick, snow-like foam, leaving your cleanest, freshest skin ever. Key ingredients: papain, bromelain. Mild keratin care that deep cleans. Propolis. Biosome. Uses active ingredients to provide healthy skincare that aids in elasticity, texture, and moisturization. Camellia flower. Extract. Delivers intense moisture and nutrients to maintain smooth, glowy skin. Key benefits: soft and gentle cleansing. The powerful enzymes deliver mild exfoliation that removes dead skin cells and impurities, leaving skin clear and infused with moisture. Gently cleanses the skin with natural soapberry and coconut-derived cleansing ingredients, leaving the skin as fresh as snow. Gentle enough for sensitive skin, the enzyme cleanser completed both the eye irritation test and the sensitive skin test to ensure stability. How to use. Apply a nickel-sized amount to dry hands and apply evenly to your dry face. Massage gently until the enzymes form a foamy texture. Add warm water to your hands and continue to massage gently until no residue is left behind. Rinse completely with warm water. Active Cleanup Powder. Hypoallergenic water-activated powder cleanser with plant-derived papain enzyme to purify, brighten, and retexturize your skin. Papain enzyme, mild cleansing micropowder, gentle formula, plant-derived powder cleanser. Key ingredients: papain, moisturizes the skin and removes unnecessary wastes. Asparagus stem, extract, infuses the skin with balanced moisture. Oat flower, extract, helps condition the skin and aids in skin vitality. Key benefits: mild skin cleansing with papain enzyme. The mild cleansing ingredients gently care for skin keratin while removing wastes, resulting in revitalized skin. Subacid enzyme powder, a mild subacid cleanser that helps maintain skin balance, creating a healthy skin base. When the fine powder meets water, it creates a rich foam that allows for thorough yet gentle, non-irritating cleansing. How to use. Apply a nickel-sized amount onto your clean palm. Add warm water and rub until powders melt into foam. Gently massage the enriched foam on the entire surface of your face. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. How to use with other Incellderm products. For the perfect cleansing routine, complete in the following order. When cleansing, light to no makeup. Snow Active Enzyme Cleanser Cleanup Powder. When cleansing heavy makeup, Pure Cell Active Cleansing Oil Cleanup Powder. Radiansome 100. Microfluidizer Essential Toner. Milky toner with powerful ingredients for maximum hydration. Preps skin for a balanced complexion. Key ingredients: RK Snowflake, exclusive ingredients for a brightening effect. Radiansome, exclusive ingredients with 5 vitamin complexes aid in vitality and skin brightness. Collagenere, patented ingredient that helps enhance skin elasticity. Pancratium meridimum, extract, helps brighten skin and enhance elasticity. Abelmoschus manahat jinhuakui, extract, patented ingredient that helps brighten skin and enhance elasticity. Key benefits: tones and prepares your skin, allowing products to go on smoother and absorb better, all while creating a protective barrier. Exclusive raw materials of RK Snowflake and Radiansome moisturize and infuse the skin with vitamins. Completed skin primary irritation test. EWG All Green Huahai 20, free grade mild and safe formula. How to use: apply toner to your palm, gently pat all over your face until toner is fully absorbed. Follow toner with the microfluidizer ampule. Use the dropper to apply directly to face, and then gently spread product over your face. Finish by applying microfluidizer cream to your face and massage gently. Recommended: Step Essential Toner, Ampule, Cream. Radiansome 100, Microfluidizer Ampule. Ultra hydrating, fast absorbing liposome formula. Key ingredients help maintain skin elasticity and glow. Key ingredients: RK Snowflake, exclusive ingredients for a brightening effect. Radiansome, exclusive ingredients with 5 vitamin complexes aid in vitality and skin brightness. Collagenere, patented ingredient that helps enhance skin elasticity. Pancratium meridimum, extract, helps brighten skin and enhance elasticity. Abelmoschus manahat jinhuakui, extract, patented ingredient that helps brighten skin and enhance elasticity. Key benefits: microfluidizer technology allows product to be finely absorbed into the skin for bright, radiant skin. Completed human application test for skin absorbency. Our most powerful ampule ever with the highest concentration of proprietary ingredients, RK Snowflake and Radiansome. Completed skin primary irritation test. EWG All Green Huahai 20, free grade mild and safe formula. How to use: use the dropper to apply ampule directly to face, and then gently spread product over your face. Finish by applying microfluidizer cream to your face and massage gently. Recommended step: Essential Toner Ampulous Cream. Welcome to RIMAN Care, the world's #1 K-beauty skincare line that harnesses the power of Korean beauty. At RIMAN Care, we understand that your skin is your most valuable asset, and we are here to help you take care of it. Our products are formulated using the latest advances in Korean skincare technology, designed to deliver visible results that leave your skin feeling rejuvenated and radiant. From cleansers to toners, serums to moisturizers, we have everything you need to achieve your best skin yet. But we know that true beauty comes from within, which is why we encourage all our customers to embrace their unique beauty and feel confident in their own skin. At RIMAN Care, we believe that beauty is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. So why not join the millions of women around the world who have already discovered the power of Korean beauty skincare? With RIMAN Care, you can unlock the secrets of beautiful, healthy, and glowing skin. Try our products today and experience the difference for yourself. Thank you for choosing RIMAN Care. Visit us now to enhance your skin's appearance today. RIMANCare.com.